Jasper's color.
Kinky.
Who's your dealer?
I don't know.
You're lying to me, boy.
I swear.
Alright, then why are you blue? Because everybody knows the good shit's coming from blue guys.
Did you eat my last Pop-Tart? Yes, of course I did. Who are you? How do you tell you anything, pig?
What's a pig?
A cop. Wait, aren't you a cop?
No. What?
The one that missing light and the anger.
Oh, I saw it in a movie one time where this cop was interrogating a perp.
What movie?
Batman, you know, the scene where Joker's being beat up by Batman. Where's Rachel?
I see why Kermit doesn't like you now.
Wait, you know Kermit?
Yes! How did you get in the house? I flew through the wall?
You can go through walls? That's so cool! Show me!
What are you doing?
Yeah!
Why'd you do that?
You said you could go through walls. Not so you think you're lying.
No, you idiot! It was an example of something that was ridiculous.
You're a liar. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
You're lucky you didn't ruin my cape.
Stop talking to me. I don't want to hear it.
Stop yelling at me!
You're starting to piss me off.
No, you threw me at a wall!
Stop yelling.
I'm gonna call the police and get your ass arrested.
If